Perlu kita ketahui apa itu bjorka. Bjorka adalah hacker yang meresahkan pemerintah. Hingga kini hacker bjorka diduga telah meretas data pelanggan IndiHome, data registrasi SIM card, data KPU RI, data pejabat negara dan sejumlah dokumen surat menyurat milik Presiden Joko Widodo, termasuk surat yang dikirim oleh Badan Intelijen Negara. Tapi anehnya bjorka selalu aktif di media sosial, bahkan buka suara tentang keinginan dan tujuannya. Mari kita simak videonya.
Hi, here's my latest update. The government says they has identified me. Lol. The Indonesian government feels they has identified me based on misinformation from the dark tracer, twitter.com/darktracer_ and closing parenthesis. It has provided fake services to the Indonesian government. This child has now been arrested and is being interrogated by the Indonesian government. For dark tracing, it's your sin to have given wrong information to a bunch of idiots. The president will soon fire the minister. I received information from a friend WHO works at the palace that Mr. President will soon replace the Minister of Communications and Information Technology, John G. Plate. Excellent, Mr. President. Make sure the replacement is a tech-savvy person, not an idiot from the party, politician, or armed forces, which is all of that will be for nothing. Mr. President formed a special team to hunt me down. Yay, good luck. Please feel free to contact me if you need help solving this problem. I will be happy to help.